Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Sliders puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric, talented puzzle designer from Slovakia who is quite new for the puzzle world but already made some amazing puzzles. The puzzle was crafted in Czech Republic by Pelikan. It was made of 3 different types of wood: pink oak, purple heart and Venge. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame. And this puzzle has not 1, not even 2, but 7 different objects depending on the position of sliders. There are 8 possible positions of sliders, but one of them doesn't have any solutions, but all others have one or even more than one solution. So I will show you how it happens. There are 4 parts inside the frame and 2 sliders. If you move one of the sliders, for example, 1 step, that's going to be 1 solution. If you move it here, that's going to be 2nd solution. If you move this slider here, that's going to be 1 more solution. Only one of the 8 possible combinations of sliders doesn't have any solutions, and that's going to be this combination. And this puzzle has 4 parts. They look like this. And when you are removing the parts, it is very important to move the sliders, since not all of the parts can be removed just keeping the sliders in one position. So as you can see, there are 4 parts. 2 of them look like this and 2 parts look like this. So that's a great puzzle. You're buying one puzzle but having 7 different puzzles, so it's gonna keep you puzzled for quite a long time. If you like Sliders puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!